Okay.
We'll pass by Mr. Car Wash. We're gonna go to the mailbox.
Okay. Did your computer arrive?
I don't know. Something arrived.
So we see some cactus around the area.
He brought his son to the team, right? Dennis.
Oh, his son?
His son.
It's
Not that good.
Not that
First day in Tucson. Tucson.
Our speaker, Wendy Simpson, is the one who brought internet to China. That's her. That's her. Ano, parang sa resume yan. That's the.
Grabe, napakapasok yung init dito. Arlene, Dennis. Shucks. Paso na ako. Okay, request ni Arlene, we do a car wash. So, it's $25 a month, huh? Unlimited car wash. Okay.
If you don't want it to, just come back, let us know, and then we'll...
Arlene, ayan, papasok na tayo.
I say I would enjoy this. Baka everyday. Uncle, let's go back.
My kids would ask you, Uncle, let's go.
Sabi ni Andy, mga bata na naman kinahas.
It's better to get a membership.
Actually, a good idea. In the Philippines, I was thinking car wash, not car wash, bike wash for bikes.
Oh.
Just a little container. Same principle.
Close the lid.
Yeah.
I like it.
Arlene, bike wash. Arlene, are you enjoying it?
Yes. Just 1 minute, 2 minutes, you're done.
Nice and clean. Nice and clean.
Okay, may tanong ako sa inyo.
Cactus.
Ito ko na yung
Big one.
libre.
Oh, i-host kami.
Shucks, naglalakad kami. Napakainit ito. Saan tayo pupunta?
Ito, mailbox na. Community mailbox na pa. Kung bumalik ako, wala. Kung pala dito ang kapatid.
Saan nila din bro? Saan dinadrop ng DHL?
Meron din silang susi mo namang. May susi sila.
Yan ba yung number mo? 3.
Okay, yan yung bahay ni Arlene. Shucks, sobrang init talaga.
Coming from Amazon.
Lalakad si Dennis. From Walmart.
Tatanong ko magkano sa akin ko eh.
Wala.
Hindi ka sumasahod?
Hindi.
Patawa sa?
Short walk lang to, pagod na kami. Sa sobrang init.